The impact of drones on the economy. Revolutionizing industries. Drones have been around for quite some time, but they have only recently become a game changer for many industries. The technology behind drones is rapidly evolving, making them more efficient and cost-effective, bringing significant benefits to businesses in a variety of industries. From agriculture to construction to transportation, drones are being used to revolutionize the way we do things. In this article, we will discuss the impact of drones on the economy and explore how they are being used to improve efficiency and reduce costs in various industries. Introduction to drones. Before we get into the various impacts of drones on the economy, let us first take a quick look at what they are and how they work. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are flying machines that can be flown without a pilot on board. They are operated by a remote control or computer system on board. Drones are equipped with cameras, sensors, and other devices that allow them to collect and transmit data in real time. This makes them an ideal tool for various industries that require data collection, monitoring, and mapping. Drones in agriculture. Agriculture is one of the sectors that are significantly impacted by drones. Farmers use drones to monitor the health of their crops, identify areas that need attention, and map their fields. This information helps farmers optimize crop yields and minimize costs associated with manual labor, fertilizer, and water use. Drones equipped with sensors can capture high-resolution images of crops that can be analyzed using software to identify problems such as nutrient deficiencies, pest infestations, and water stress. This allows farmers to quickly take countermeasures to reduce crop losses and increase yields. Drones in construction. Drones are also being used in the construction industry to streamline processes and reduce costs. They are used to survey, inspect and map construction sites, which is critical during the planning and design phases of a project. Drones can capture detailed images and videos of construction sites, giving contractors valuable insight into the topography, contours, and other important site features. This information helps contractors optimize resources and make informed decisions, which ultimately lowers the overall cost of the project. Drones in transportation. Drones are also having a significant impact on the transportation industry. They are being used to improve logistics, delivery, and monitoring. For example, companies such as Amazon and Google are exploring the use of drones for package delivery. Drones can deliver packages faster and more efficiently than traditional delivery methods, which lowers costs and increases customer satisfaction. Drones are also being used for traffic monitoring, allowing law enforcement to monitor traffic flow and identify congestion hotspots. Other industries impacted by drones. In addition to agriculture, construction, and transportation, there are many other industries that benefit from drones. For example, drones are used for search and rescue missions, wildlife protection, and scientific research. They are also used in the film and entertainment industries to capture unique aerial footage. Benefits of drones to the economy. The impact of drones on the economy is significant. Drones increase efficiency and reduce costs in various sectors, leading to higher productivity and profitability. They also create new employment opportunities in industries such as drone manufacturing, software development, and data analytics. Conclusion. Drones are revolutionizing the way we do things. They are being used to increase efficiency and reduce costs in various industries, leading to significant benefits for the economy. Drone technology is rapidly evolving, and we can expect to see more innovative uses in the future. QA 1. Can drones replace human workers in agriculture? While drones can help with various tasks, such as crop monitoring, they cannot completely replace human workers. 2. How much do drones cost? The cost of drones varies depending on type, size, and features. Some drones can be purchased for a few $100s, while others can cost tens of thousands of dollars. 3. Are there privacy concerns associated with drones? Yes, there are privacy concerns related to drones, especially when it comes to surveillance. Many countries have regulations in place to protect the privacy of citizens. 4. How do drones improve safety in industries like construction? Drones can be used to inspect hazardous areas without putting human workers at risk. This increases safety and reduces the likelihood of accidents on construction sites. In summary, drones are revolutionizing various industries, leading to greater efficiency, lower costs, and increased safety. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and subscribing.